Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Kasa Smart app for smart plugs, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Kasa Smart app on your device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Kasa Smart and click on the download button. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. You will see the welcome screen. Select sign up if you are a new user. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Confirm your password by entering it again. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the sign up button to create your account. After registering, check your email for a verification message. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, return to the Kasa app. Now, tap Login to enter your credentials. Input your email and password, then click Login. If prompted, enable any necessary permissions for the app. Make sure your smart plug is plugged in and powered on. The app will search for your smart plug automatically. Once found, select your smart plug from the list. Connect your smartphone to your Wi-Fi network. Note, the smart plug typically requires a 2.4 GHz network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Tap Next to complete the connection process. The app will display a status message once connected. You can now name your smart plug as desired. Feel free to explore additional settings and features available in the app. Congratulations, you are all set to manage your smart plug with the Kasa Smart app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.